Let's now see how to install Tobu Drive on your Mac. So when you go to Tobu's website, tobu.cloud, you should see an option called Sync Desktop on the left hand side. So if you click on that, this is the page that will open, and you simply need to download the Tobu Drive version for Mac first. Once the download is complete, it will automatically unzip the file and show you the downloads folder and the exact file that was downloaded. So it will be highlighted like this. So Tobu Drive, as you can see. Now first, all you need to do is copy this file and put it into your desktop. So just paste it in your desktop. Now double click on this file and it should open up. Now it will ask you to explicitly open this file. So one option is where it already shows you the open button. The other option is where you go to system preferences here at the bottom. So you click on system preferences and click on this button where it shows you security and privacy. So once you click on security and privacy and general, it might show an open button over here. So you might have to click on that. But in our case, it has already showed the open button here itself. So I'll just simply click on that. So once I click on the open button, Tobu's icon will be popping up here. I simply click on that. Now Java needs to be installed for Tobu to run, Tobu Drive to run. So we need to enter your computer's password. So you give permission for Java to be installed and you simply hit OK. And that's it. So the Tobu Drive installation process has begun, and in just a minute or two it'll get done. You can simply hit OK, and now it'll just pop up at the bottom part of the screen, and here you can see Tobu's icon, and here it is. It has opened up automatically, and all you need to do now is put in your Tobu credentials and get started with Tobu Drive.